Hi, my name's Michael. I'm presenting the MVP of Gauntlet AI's first project after 24 hours of, I guess, being a software engineer for the first time. Uh, this is a chat application supposed to be like Slack, built in 24 hours up to this point. By Friday, we're going to have a fully complete project. So far, I've got the authentication and the messaging down. I can show that off here. So I can sign in as a user, authenticated with a real email. I've got all the messages that have been sent in the past here, and I can come into the chat box and send other messages. That updates. All this information is stored in a Supabase database system. I can log in with a second user. Even here, I can see the complete history of the messages, and I can send messages back to the original user too. Which shows up. Some little fun functionality. I've got some really bare bones, I don't know, like bolding and italics in here. All it does is drop in, I guess, the markdown for it, but it does technically work. Yeah, the italics work too, and that all seems to be working. So yeah, after 24 hours, I've got the chat portion finished. In the future, we're going to have other channels, and each message can have their own thread built off of them. Let's see, users can sign out. That works. You can sign back in. It actually is authenticating emails here. Like, if I type in test, it doesn't work. And if I type in a bad email, it also doesn't work. So yeah, that is the MVP up to this point. We've got messaging, we've got authentication. Next up, we're going to build in more channel organization so we can split out into extra channels. We can do direct messages, file sharing. Let's see if I can bring this over here. I've got basically the Supabase file, I guess, database structure over here. I can do channels, files, messages, more profiles. We're going to do little emoji reactions in here, and then individual user channels for direct messages. So yeah, pretty cool what you can do here with Cursor. I have zero background in software development, never made an application before, and in 24 hours I've got something that could reasonably be called an application. So yeah, can't wait to see what I can do with another 72 hours. Get this done by Friday.